Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and today I have another shoebox unboxing. So tomorrow is the last day for collection. I've heard that you can take them to the processing center if you're volunteering, but I'm going to try to get this turned in tomorrow. It is for a girl ages 2 to 4. I thought I was completely done packing my boxes. I turned them into church last week, and then last night I was like, you know what? I still have a lot of stuff in here. I wonder if I could put together another box. And I didn't put together one, I put together two. So I'll post the other one tomorrow. All right, so I've got my rubber bands on it. This is it's slightly smaller than an OCC box, but it is pretty well packed and stuffed, so I don't think that she will even notice that it's smaller. This is what it looks like inside. So her stuffy is this little funny looking fish that's actually a pull toy. I got him for 50 cents at Walmart on clearance, and I had already given away my other plushies as filler because, yeah, I thought I was done. She has a toothbrush. So her wow item is this doll that I found at Walmart on clearance. She's got some butterfly wings. Her sandals come off. She has this huge head. I don't exactly know what she is or anything, but I thought she was very cute. Okay, let's see. She has a pair of flip-flops. We've got a foldable flying disc, some crayons. This cat goes with the doll. She's got one of these pop-it things. It's in the shape of a puzzle. Now, today, my serger wasn't working, but I got it fixed, got it working again, and I made this completely today. So this is made out of 2 fat quarters from Walmart because I didn't have enough fabric that would match her little shirt, and so I made this skirt. So I just took the 2 fat corners and cut them and then sewed them together and trimmed it up a little bit, gave her a pocket here, and made a scrunchie out of the scraps. And she has this little shirt from Old Navy that she can wear with her skirt and her scrunchie. So I thought that was really cute, and like I said, just made it today. Nothing like waiting to the last minute, right? She has a pencil pack, and in here we have some stickers and some pencils and some scissors and pencil sharpener and some erasers and a multicolored click pen that also has a little highlighter on it as well. And that's all in her little pink pencil pack. She has a hairbrush. Now, the thing about this hairbrush is my mom has been to the hospital multiple times lately. They give away these hairbrushes when you're in the hospital for free. So, you know, it wasn't used. So I thought it would be kind of a fun little hairbrush to throw in the box. She has one of these cute little bags with the little butterflies on them, and the wings kind of match the wings on the back of her doll, so she could wear this on her back and they could match. And inside of it, yes, I actually put something inside of it this time. She has a necklace that I put together. This is a little cheerleader. I don't know if you can see that. She's got a headband and a pair of purple socks and a pair of underwear. She has a little bendable robot. I just love those guys. She has a plastic poly folder with some paper inside of it. And the packaging from the doll was really cute, so I threw in that. She has a note card from me, and my picture. So I will get this hopefully turned in tomorrow, and I hope that she enjoys this box because I enjoyed making it for her. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Toodles!